Are you ready? Connecting train isn't coming today anymore.
Today at the beach.
Wait, baby, you can't.
Okay, so I don't know if you can tell by the way we're dressed today, but these are our travel clothes, and we are headed from our house sit in Cheltenham to an Airbnb in Dorset. Super excited, it has a hot tub, yay! So as soon as our Uber gets here, we're gonna load all of this stuff, then we'll be on our way. Hopefully the trains are running well today. It's about, what, 6 hours?
4 hours.
We're heading out here around 9 o'clock. All right, we'll see you there. Steven is having to flag down our taxi. FYI, your pant leg is still up. I don't know if you care. Travel days are rough. There's the taxi. Nice and big. And we're early, haha.
Oh, yes, okay. Thank you so very much.
One goes on.
Let's get in the way.
Oh. So our taxi driver slash Uber driver was super nice, and we made it to the train station. It's called the Cheltenham Spa Station. Now we gotta go figure out what train to take and buy a ticket, and hope they still have something for sale.
Let's go.
Temple meets.
Temple meets.
So it's one way, right? Off-peak date return. We don't want return. Change. One way. Yep, there we go. That's what we did last. Off-peak day single. Is today off-peak?
Yes.
First class is 20.
First class is what? You want to do first class?
Could be nice.
$22 a ticket?
Do it.
Let's just say we gotta go up here to see where.
Bag.
If you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe.
So far, our travel day was off to a great start. We had luxury first class seats with free tea and snacks. We weren't huge fans of the fruitcake. Little did we know how crazy it was all about to get. Okay, so we had to run catch the train. We were on platform, I don't know, like 3, and we had to go to platform 13 so that we could get on a totally different train because our connecting train isn't coming today anymore until like 8 p.m. So we would have been stuck here for the next 10 hours or something, 9 hours. They were really nice. They escorted us to the train, and we don't have tickets, but they're gonna sell them to us on the train. Otherwise there's a fee if we're not buying a ticket. So anyway, we're on, we made it, and now we should be headed there before 2 p.m. for hot tub. Yay! Okay, we made it to where?
Eastleigh.
We made it to Eastleigh, and now we have to take a bus. It's raining, but good news, our Airbnb host said he'd pick us up.
All right.
Let's go. So we're out of breath because we just carried our bags up to the double-decker bus, and our big bag is downstairs.
Yeah, so the bus is replacing the rail. They must be doing something with the line.
There's a queue. The bottom of the bus is full. The top of the bus is mostly empty because nobody wanted to carry their bags up here. Okay, so we're on a second bus. We took the first bus to a train station. It was called a
Rail something.
Yeah, a rail. Anyway, it's like a detour. The railroad is closed. We get here and they say, oh no, every bus going south is absolutely closed off. So we're on another bus taking us to our final destination. Not sure how long it'll be, not sure how many stops.
We go to Christchurch and then Portsmouth.
Portsmouth? Bournemouth. Yeah. Anyway, so hopefully we get there eventually. These shuttle buses were double-deckers, and they were very clean and comfortable. We made it to our Airbnb. It's super cute. It smells amazing. Paul is one of the owners, and he picked us up from the train station. So nice, because we have a lot of luggage. We took like 17 buses to get here. So this is the living room. It has a sofa And somehow later, we're gonna figure out how to fold it to get the chase part to come out. There will be a fireplace. I would turn it on, but I have no idea yet how it works. And we're still gonna go to the store. We have a curved TV, a really plush rug, a whole kitchen in our favorite colors, the charcoal with the red. It has an oven, so we'll be getting some pizzas. And a really big refrigerator, just saying. Delightful. It came with Prosecco, orange juice, some cream for coffee, and 2 bottled waters. Ice! Okay, a lot of places here don't have ice, so that's exciting. This is the bedroom. Oh, it says love. Oh, their carpets are amazing. These, look at this. You can lay on here. Super cute towels for the hot tub. He said also, I think, oh, robes for the hot tub. And, oh, even this is really fluffy. Uh-oh, there's water in there. I'm not gonna go all the way in. This is the shower. Beautiful tiles. I can't wait to shower in here. It's nice and big. And a cute little modern vanity, heated towel rack. These are my favorite thing, and we need these in the United States, especially in Seattle. I don't know why we don't do that. Look at this lampshade. Even this lampshade is cute. Everything is really, really cute. Like, there's a lot of little details I'm sure we'll find as we go around. That's the end of our travel day. We made it. Are you ready? And we're back. So we're gonna head to the store, get some pizza, some munchies,
Wings.
and some food, yeah, for the game, and something to drink in the hot tub. So let's go. Nailed it. This is gonna be the vlog of Gates. Okay, so it's a bit rainy out today, but one thing we like to do is get some groceries to save a little bit of money, especially since the money here is basically so we could enjoy the hot tub. Last night we had a big plan and all the grocery stores are closed. Unfortunately, because the stores were closed, we had to eat out. So in the UK, the grocery stores on Sundays close at 4 p.m. Yeah, we're gonna go out, get some groceries, come back and cuddle and maybe watch a movie in the rain. Let's go. Handicap parking and mom and children parking with extra room to open the door. That's thoughtful. Oh, what did I say?
Yeah, mom and kid.
Oh no, sexist, I apologize. No access to ASDA. Whoa. It took it, I can't push it and walk up.
It's on the camera.
I guess that's good so it doesn't roll back down on people. Okay, so we've never done this before, but we see people do it all the time. As you go, why doesn't it come out? Touch the screen. Start shopping. Did you register for ASDA? Okay. I'll get my phone number out. Okay. Continue. Email. Oy vey. It's a whole thing. Oops. Name, phone number. Huh? Confirm. Loading. Oh, it lit up a light. Ah. Okay. Here we go. Because it's all different with all these little bins and stuff. Mushroom pizza we like. Yay! Okay, one. Okay, trolley total 2. So many pastas. Okay, oh, this is my kind I like. I don't know how to say it. Tagliatelle. But it's like what we call,
Fettuccine?
yeah, fettuccine type. Wonder what fettuccine really means. Boom, da 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 da. All right, but it's like, don't make me record the whole store. It has to go back. And then I will scan the ones on sale. What is it? ES Pizza Extra Special. $4.75. Remove. Yes. Okay, we save a couple bucks, baby. Trolley shop. Scan and go up there. Okay. Place your handset here.
Handset to scan this QR code.
I have a barcode. And I put that here. And I put this here. Oh, like this.
Hey.
Okay. No bag.
We just need to approve this.
Oh,
A colleague is coming to help.
thank you.
Insert or tap your card.
Da 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 da.
Please take your receipt.
Nailed it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I love getting things on sale. Da, 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 da. I will take the eggs. And that's it. We'll go outside. I'll put my coat on because it's raining. And we'll head back.